I like this. Come on.
I'm gonna do Rockabye Baby by Clean Bandit.
Okay.
Rockabye baby, rockabye. I'm gonna rock your rockabye baby. Don't you cry, rockabye.
Wow, that's a cool mom. That's just a vibe right there.
Thank you.
Let's talk about you now.
Your mom is also in the background praying for you like my mom is. Wait, mom is gonna do a set change. It's like a full stage, mom. I like it. I love it. When I change my costumes, I'm going this fast.
Never hurt me again.
Where did you learn to sing like that?
My mom, she trained me because she's in the performing arts.
Nah lie, you make me cry. Water come on me eye when you sing rockabye, baby rockabye. Me know hard you try. Now your dreams take wings and fly. From Lasco to Los Angeles you make we proud. Bright starlight stand out in a crowd. From Lasco to Las Vegas, go through girl. Jamaican child start on American Idol. We know the juggling and the hustling. New York subway busking, struggling, hungry days. Doubting Thomas in your ears. Down my face tears ran when me hear you say you sleep in your uncle's salon. But you persevere, Jahzan. You're a good Mom Zandriann. Some say you're mad, eccentric, but your performance electric. Of the crop you are the cream. Living testament to the American dream. Katy Perry says she love your voice, you're gonna lead. Lionel Richie say you must succeed. Join your name so you're born blessed. Wish you all the best in your pursuit of happiness.
Both of you are carrying more weight than you've ever carried in your lives. And how you got to American Idol, only God knows.
Yeah, it was a journey.
But you are here. And Mom, we're going to take this opportunity to take a little bit of that load off of you.
That's right.
Okay? Now, Luke, what is your vote?
It is a yes from me.
Katie, what is your vote?
My vote is a yes.
My vote is a yes.
Yo, people, wanna make we feel good. Look here, this morning, I wake up and I have a little coffee for drink, and it's like I go so boom, I'ma go on Facebook. I see the competition, a video where someone forwarded to me by Majah Bless, and I see the American Idol on it. So I say, you know, it's one of the four, it's a, you know, the show I'm watch already. But then I see Jabuki Mattis. I soon tell you know about Jabuki Mattis now. When I see Jabuki Mattis comment underneath it now, and then it's like him send me a V-note, a voice note, and I'm a WhatsApp. Me I say, wait. Let Majah Bless do something different with the thing. When we go in on it, man, and I see how Majah Bless and the twins them, Ngozi, and you know, and the twins them are just so fabulous. If you check them out on YouTube, check out them YouTube channel, Ngozi, Ngozi, yeah. When me go in there, man, and me realize the dedication what the youth put to paper for empower me. Me I tell her say, Majah best, big up yourself. And Gozi and Tafari, big up yourself. Just an answer nothing.
Yeah. So, guys.
One love. One love. If I didn't keep mental calypso.